Alright, we've learned the basics of factoring. Now let's get into the more complex aspects of factoring. So how would we factor x cubed plus x squared plus 3x plus 3? Well, with 4 we can try this method called grouping. This is what grouping looks like. It's really weird and it only works in certain situations, but your teachers will need you to know it. So just remember, as long as the number in parentheses are the same, you can just add the two numbers in front together, and then you have your numbers factored out. This is also in your state standards. We can also factor with multiple variables, like this. xy plus y would be y times in parentheses x plus 1. Variables can be factored even if it's not x. Let's talk about completing the square. This is one that you're going to use a lot. So if you're given x squared plus 6x equals -1, and you're trying to find x, or the zeros, or something. Who knows what you're trying to find, but you just need to simplify that down. Add 9, in this case, to each side. So the way that we get 9 is we take that middle number, and we divide it by 2, and then we square it. Then we get x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 8. Then we can factor, we get x plus 3 squared equals 8. Then you can square root each side. You get x plus 3 equals the square root of 8. Subtract 3 from each side, and you get x to be the square root of 8 minus 3. Why factor, though? Let's graph it. So let's graph x squared plus 7x plus 2. Now let's factor. When we factor it, we get x plus 3 times x plus 4. Remember when we said everything in parentheses with x was opposite? These are called the zeros. Zeros are where the function crosses the x-axis, where y equals 0. Look at the function factored again. Notice the similarity? The factors are the zeros. Crazy, isn't it?